Everyone, welcome back to my channel at Lisa J's World. I hope everyone is having a great holiday weekend. Happy Memorial's Day. I like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And if you're new to this channel and you like handbag videos, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So guys, since I had a few moments, I wanted to go ahead and try to do a short video and showcase a bag that I've never really showcased on my channel. And it's a bag that I got, I think, back in March during the I Love Dooney sale. And I kept going on and on and on about the bag and not sure if I wanted to get it, but I knew it was a classic style. I had to get it. And so this is the bag I'm talking about. It is the Dooney side pocket satchel in the color red. And this is the Pebble grain leather. It has two pockets on the outside which hold my phone. One pocket holds my phone and the other pocket I have my mask in there. It has a removable adjustable strap that I like to keep on there just in case when I can't use my hands. It has a nice long zipper pull. It's very smooth, and I love the handles on this bag. They're not stiff. They will lay down. They won't lay down completely, but they lay down enough. I love how it opens up. It even has the Sierra leather trimming alongside the zipper. It has the Dooney nameplate on the bottom. It has nice reinforcement, so there's no sag in the bag, and there's reinforcements here with the Sierra leather. Very sturdy, nice feet. So I have this bag packed, and there's no sag in this bag. Okay, and so this is how the zipper and the pocket looks. I mean the pocket looks with this leather that goes not all the way down, but until you feel fabric, and the same on this side. I'm sorry, I forgot to get the measurements of this bag. Oh no. Also, I wanted to share what fits in this bag. Now, as you can see, I have her quite stuffed. It's pretty organized if you have the right items. So I have here my Coach Catch-All. I just took it out of my Cassie, no, not my Cassie, my drawstring Hattie, the small one. So I took that out of there. And then I use this for my earbuds, my measuring tape, and my contact lens case, all in this container. Oh, I had a little room on the sides. I didn't even realize it. Not that I need to stuff it anymore, but I could push. Oh, I have my charger in here too. And my phone charger. Very cute. Alrighty, and I have my small flat wallet in the black color. I have my card case. I'm not going to change out of this. This is going to be my card case for the summer. And then I have my eyeglasses. And I have my dental picks in the zipper pocket, because it has a zipper pocket back here and a slip pocket. It's not too long. And then on this side, I have pockets like the normal Dooney setup. One pocket is bigger than the other. And so I have my shades, my Privé shades for the holiday. And I have my nail file in the pocket. I have some lotion, pepper spray, bathroom spray. Oh, my pods are in here. Oh, because they couldn't fit. They couldn't fit in the small case. And the hand sanitizer. It's so interesting how I got all of these items in this one pocket. And then the glasses go in the smaller pocket. And then I have my keys on the key leash. So that is everything that that I put in here, and I really am glad that I decided, because this is actually my first time wearing her. So I have on my favorite white and blue striped shirt, my bracelets. Let me see if I can show you how my outfit looks. Okay guys, I have on a white capris and white gym shoes. It has a high hem. This is how the bag looks on the side. And see, the handles don't even bother me. The handles are not even bothered. And then you can also wear this crossbody, but I don't have a crossbody attachment to extend this to show you how it looks crossbody. This is too short. I don't know why I even did that. Yeah, so that is, let me push it back some so we can get the whole thing. So yeah, I really like this. It's so comfortable. With the nice white gym shoes. Yeah. Alright guys, that concludes my video for today. Again, happy Memorial Day. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate your support. And until next time, bye.